Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to view current hosting events from your own account on Facebook. If you're someone who loves hosting events or simply wants to keep track of your upcoming gatherings, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. First things first, if you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, let's take care of that. Head over to the Play Store and type Facebook in the search bar. Look for the iconic white F with a white background, tap on it, and then hit the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your account. Now that you're all set up, let's move on to step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. From the menu, tap on Events. You're doing great! We've made it to step 3. Inside the Events section, you'll find a calendar icon next to the plus sign, or Me Plus. Tap on the calendar icon to access additional event options. Now, things are getting interesting. From the additional event options, look for the house icon labeled Hosting. Tap on it to view all the events that you are currently hosting or have planned in the future. And there you have it, folks. A complete guide on how to view current hosting events from your own account on Facebook. Now you can easily keep track of your upcoming gatherings and ensure everything runs smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.